Hi guys, so today we're here at Leeds and it's raining. Hello, Faye, what can you say? I can't see. Hi guys, it's me again, Falsa Marie, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, I'm not going to paint, so it's not a painting video, but I'm going to paint beautiful memories with my friend. Of course, I want you to join us guys. So without further ado, let's jump into my video. Jollibee! So for you who doesn't know guys, Jollibee is a famous Filipino fast food restaurant and they have been serving crispylicious chicken joy, jelly spaghetti, yum burgers and so much more. And for us Filipinos, it's not just a restaurant, we call it home.